Good morning, YouTube. Thank you all for watching and continuing to watch, being all supportive of my fix for the Hellcat. We've got some good news today. Hellcat is in the shop. I decided to go back to Tim Barth because that guy does amazing work, and he's going to diagnose and see what the issues are. I had to basically get it towed there. Contacted U-Haul. U-Haul says the car's too heavy. You know, the curb weight, whatever, is 4,400. Tow dollies are only good up to 3,900, but you think if you're lifting it off the ground. But the guy argued with me and wouldn't let me rent one. But U-Haul was out. Their other trailers weren't wide enough. It was, if I were to pull the car on there, I probably would have scratched my car. So I already have one problem. I don't want any more problems. I talked to Penske. Penske said I can get a trailer big enough, but I had to also rent one of their trucks. I'm not moving, so I don't need a truck. And I just contacted all over local places with trailers and just didn't have luck. So at the end of the day, local area in town, they have tow trucks. So I had to pay someone to tow it from one state to the next. But it's price to pay, I guess. And love driving a Hemi, so got it towed there at a cost. So car's in the shop. They're just gonna definitely diagnose, make sure it is a blown supercharger. That's a guarantee. Just make sure there's nothing else wrong. And from there, we will decide what route we're gonna take. He gave me the same options I basically have looked at and seen myself. He gave me some other good ideas about my future plans and what he would recommend. So Tim Barth, thank you very much. If you're watching my channel, I greatly appreciate it. I would highly recommend anybody that has a Mopar, anything Dodge, and maybe I think even he'll touch a couple of the Fords once in a blue moon, but I'm not gonna say that that's a guarantee. I know there's a shop right next door to him that does do the Ford, like literally right next door to him, and I think they're all buddies and stuff. But you have a Mopar and you have something, concern, question, whatever, go to this website, contact him, shoot an email to his wife, Rhonda. They will help you out and give you great advice. So I greatly appreciate it. Also, to all my viewers, thank you for all your comments. I definitely took that to heart. Read each one and am looking at what's the best option, and I like some of the options that you guys put it and presented to me. So we'll see what we can do. It still comes down to cost. Ain't got that YouTube money. No, I'm just kidding. I don't, but there's some channels, they make pretty good money. My channel is more just to have fun, to show people about E85 and performance vehicles, what it can do. Like I said, in my previous videos, I manufacture and produce E85, which is ethanol. Love my job, love that car, love my family, all in different orders there, family first. But E85 is really important to me, and that was the main part of my channel. And then from there it kind of grew, and showing you all the cool performance stuff, obviously, that E85 can do in a car. And a lot of channels, most people that have Hellcats and other models are going E85. And it's not because of my videos, I'm just saying in general, it's becoming a bigger trend, and that's huge. So I really like the support. To me, that's like, feels like someone's supporting my job, whether they know me or not. So I greatly appreciate it. But yeah, so end of the goal, my car's at the shop, is gonna be diagnosed. We're gonna go from there, see what the issues 100% are besides just the blower. Hopefully nothing else. And then we're gonna go for fixing it, and still exploring the options. Hopefully by the next video, I'll have an idea of exact fix and what I'm doing. Again, thanks for everything. Stay in tune with Ethanol Hound. Like, subscribe, and comment. And let me know what you think. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day.
I'm a range Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.